Welcome to Easy Daily English. Subscribe now to join our community. Ready for a new story? Let's go. Episode 3. Ella goes shopping for groceries. This is another easy English story. It is Saturday morning and Ella wants to buy food for the week. She makes a small list before she goes out. On her list, she writes bread, milk, eggs, apples, rice, and chicken. She also wants to buy some vegetables like tomatoes and carrots. Ella takes her pink bag and walks to the supermarket near her apartment. The supermarket is not very big, but it has everything she needs. When she enters, she takes a shopping basket. The first thing she buys is bread. She chooses a fresh loaf and puts it in the basket. Next, Ella goes to the fruit section. She picks 4 red apples. They look sweet and fresh. She also buys some bananas. Bananas are her favorite snack. After that, Ella walks to the vegetable section. She chooses tomatoes, cucumbers, and carrots. She thinks about making a salad for dinner. The colors of the vegetables make her smile. Ella continues to the dairy section. She takes 1 bottle of milk and a box of eggs. She also buys a small piece of cheese. She likes cheese sandwiches in the morning. Finally, Ella goes to the meat section. She chooses some chicken for cooking during the week. Now her basket is full. She walks to the cashier and waits in line. When it is her turn, she puts all the items on the counter. The cashier smiles and says, "Hello." Ella smiles back and says, "Hello." She pays for her groceries and puts them in her bag. When Ella leaves the supermarket, her bag is heavy, but she is happy. She feels good because she has food for the week. She walks home and thinks about what she will cook. Shopping is simple, but it is an important part of her new life. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.